yourself. Someone special who lifts you in the